Hey guys, welcome back to Handmade Home. I'm Hester and today I have a very easy shoe hack for you. Yesterday I picked up some new shoes and new look. I bought these white canvas sneakers for £3. Can you believe it? £3. They were on sale and then reduced again. So yeah, hardly any money I spent on these. But they're a little bit plain. Luckily, we've got a hack for that. And the answer is heat transfers. You can buy them almost anywhere. A lot of craft shops sell them, haberdasheries, you can buy them online. I'm using a book I bought in a bookshop a while ago. It's called Sukie, iron-on transfers. I originally bought these because I thought really cute little details on t-shirts and I thought maybe I could use them on Kiki's clothes, but now I'm going to use them on my new shoes. So in the little book that I have, there are 20 sheets of different iron-ons. There's like letters and different designs. Can't really see that much here, but luckily there's a page here with all the designs on. This little book is from a design studio called Sukie, and it is published by Chronicle Books. You have a look in a bookshop or online. Which ones to choose though? I am going to use these flowers. It was quite tricky to choose what kind of things I wanted because there's so many lovely designs. I don't know if you can see it really well. I'm going for these flowers. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut them out. Just roughly go around the shape and cut out the ones you want to use. So I got my iron heating up. Make sure it's on the hottest setting you have, like on cotton setting. Shoes are not the easiest to put decals on. If you have a t-shirt, it's so much easier. With a little bit of patience, this will work. Just choose the flower that you like. I think I'm going to start with a big one. Might need this. The shoe, there we go. Sort of on it here. So now carefully, you're gonna put your iron on here and leave it on for a few minutes, and then you should just peel the paper away. Just slowly move the iron. Make sure you don't burn your fingers. Make sure you have every single bit of the flower covered. Leave the iron on for a little bit. See if it worked. Ooh, there we go. My first flower is attached. I do think we need a few more though. So my decal came off. I don't think it's completely cured yet, so what I'm going to do, just grab a tea towel, pop it on there, and then just put the heat on again. Just make sure it's really fused with the fabric. Come on the flower. Oh, I think they're starting to look very nice, the shoes. I would like something on the back here as well, but unfortunately I don't have any flowers that are small enough, so I'm just going to cut one to size. I'm going to stick it on. It needs to be a little bit cut off here. There we go, that looks perfect. Flower done. So there you go, a super simple way of decorating plain shoes. I do love a super simple make, especially if it leaves with shoes that are so amazingly cute that I only spent £3 on. How great is that? Now, what else can I heat transfer? While I think about that, why don't you give this video a big thumbs up and go have a look on my website hestershandmadehome.com for more craft ideas for your shoes and for your home. I hope I see you with a new video and I really hope to see you then.